How to sign out of YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can sign out of YouTube, so make sure to stick with me till the end. So if you want to sign out of YouTube, what you have to do is first of all open up youtube.com. Now whether you're talking about mobile or whether you're talking about the app, once you go to youtube.com, this is the kind of interface you will see. So if you want to sign out, then simply click on the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then right over here you can see the option called switch account, right? So here under switch account you'll find another option there labeled as sign out. So all you have to do is simply click on that option, and once you click on that option you will be successfully signed out of YouTube, and this way you'll be able to sign out of YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.